There is a lot of work going on in the banks to prepare to be able to offer new solutions into the market, and the first step typically is around their data platforms and making sure that what was previously siloed data can be accessed and viewed in a holistic way. And of course, when we're dealing with anything in the data space, there are a lot of security challenges and risks. And so securing platforms and securing partner ecosystems that are handling that data is quite a significant cyber challenge for the banks. And I think also when we look at that space, the money is in the data. How are we going to deliver something meaningful to our customers? Typically we see data projects pulling the financial services industry into the clouds. And that poses another challenge as well in terms of securing a wider perimeter, securing a larger hackable surface, and how to really lock down that new expanding platform. Banks are definitely faced with questions around their identity and questions around the value add that they bring to the industry, both on a consumer level and also for corporates as well. I think what it really comes back to is what do they do well, and what should they really focus on improving in their internal systems, and where should they perhaps leverage partners. I think banks, have typically a very good reputation for trust, for resilience and for robustness, and that's something that we all need, that kind of security of platform. But sometimes it's more challenging for incumbents to be agile, to conceive of, or perhaps just build and deliver new solutions into market in a speedy way. Working out where they choose to play themselves and where they choose to bring in strategic partners is going to be critical to delivering on strategy in the coming years. Yes, we often hear that data is the new oil, but I've also heard it said that data is the new uranium. It's has a lot of good uses, but also can be quite dangerous. And I think that's something that people are coming to terms with and trying to work out how to really get the most out of the data. So I think there are different approaches. Clearly, there's a certain amount that is obligated under regulations such as PSD2 and the open APIs. I think the more interesting space in terms of monetizing data will come in the form of premium APIs and contracted APIs, and the wider set of data that banks are choosing to make available to their customers in new, innovative ways. But again, it comes back to preparing the core platform. What data can you integrate into your analytics solutions, and then how are you actually going to derive insights and value from them? Again, typically when we're looking at artificial intelligence or we're looking at machine learning use cases, we see hybrid cloud solutions coming together, multi-cloud solutions, and those are going to be key areas of focus in banking and indeed across financial services into the next couple of years, I predict.